Well, how are we doing today? It's May 6th, 2016. This is a nice looking sewing machine. And as you can probably tell by the handles, this machine's been around for a while. This cabinet has been around for a while. It appears to be in very nice shape. I just bought it today. And it's a cool machine. It's a very cool machine. It's the oldest one that I have so far. And I don't know that it's what I'm looking for. So I'm sure that somebody does want this machine. So we'll just take a look at it here, and you can look at the detail on these drawers, on these handles, the quality of the unit in general. We see the laminate separating just a little bit right here, but this is a 1940 something sewing machine. It's a Kenmore sewing machine. We'll open it up and we'll see stuff down here. I wonder why that's got something on it. I haven't even had a chance to dust it off yet. I'm about to play with it and see how it operates. Oh, cool. Very cool indeed. Look at this. Look at this. Operating instructions for the Kenmore Imperial Rotary Sewing Machine. Model number 117591. Sears Roebuck and Company, the world's largest store. Well, this is in exceptional condition. And I'll bet that was in here. We've got more stuff in here. We've got more stuff. I don't know if this is going to tell us anything. Parts list. Cabinet. Okay. I'd like to see a date. I don't see a date. There's a pressure foot. A motor. A motor without a light is $8. Let's see, a hand wheel is $2. A clutch nut, $1.50. I don't think they're going to operate. I don't think they're going to honor these prices anymore. Okay, a bobbin winder. Cool, now I can figure out what. Now I can figure out what's what. Maybe. But what I don't see is a date on anything. I don't see a toll-free number either to call for customer support. That's okay. Oh no, I forgot how this went. Like that, maybe. Not like that. I'll bet like that. Like that. Okay, so that's good to go. We'll open this up and hopefully find a date. No, but this is to certify that the Imperial Kenmore Rotary Sewing Machine is warranted to be perfect in material and manufacture, and to be perfect in operation if properly managed. Okay, I like that. I wonder if you could see any of that. Okay, well, before we start opening everything up, I'm going to go to the back page, see if there's a date back there. And I don't see a date back here either. So I don't know. The person I bought it from believes this is a 1940 something machine. Okay, so we'll put this away. And let's pull out the rotary attachments just to see what's in there. That box is in beautiful shape. Look at these gadgets. I wonder what you do with them. Doesn't look like anybody's used them. This is a tucker. That must tuck something in somewhere. Now how in tarnation would somebody go about figuring out what to do with these things? I hope there's a walking foot in here. I've seen this before. I've got this on another machine. I will find out what that is. Okay, here's all sorts of, here's a funky foot. Here's a funky foot. Here's a thing, there's a thing, everywhere's a thing. Okay, that's all sorts of things. I have no idea what they are. Oh, I bet this instruction manual might hold. Oh boy. That's a lot of stuff to get back in there. We'll put this somewhere else for the time being. There's stuff in here too, including a key. Well, looky here, what a pretty key. I wonder what you do with that key. Oh, nice pink thread in that bobbin. These are some large bobbins, an extra... Not really. That's not going to do me any good. I like it, I like it. Okay, for the time being, I'm just going to put this back in the drawer. What's down here in the next drawer? Nothing. Okay, it's got a side arm somewhere. Oh, we're taking a long time to open this up. Come on. Come on. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this sophisticated piece of equipment. I don't know if you can appreciate what just happened there. So in case you can't, I'm going to do it again. That's a pretty cool operation. Pretty cool operation indeed. Stay up there. That's good. Okay, so we come over here and we lift up on this. And it goes away, folds up nice and neat. Something's in the way. I wonder what. Oh, that has to get tucked up there. But anyway, so we open it up right here, pull, and it pops up like magic. Is that sweet or what? Oh, that is nice. There's thread here that's trapped, so let's pull that up here. Wow, is that ever a tight fit? Okay, so the bobbin is, oh, that's, okay, there's that. Now we have to learn how to thread this. It shouldn't be too difficult. We've got a book. But in the meantime, oh, I don't have it plugged in yet. So let's take care of that. Let's plug it in. Reach under here. And we can see this old wiring. That's an old cord. There. Plugged in. What's going to happen now? We've got a light. And we've got a knee operator. And look at that. Oh, that sounds nice. That sounds nice. Okay, let's find some thread. Put it right there on that thing. Okay, this is exciting. I just had a spool of thread, much like this one. And take that spool, put it right there, and now we're going to wonder what to do. Because I can honestly say that I don't know. Forward, reverse, something, something, I can't read all that. But what I can do is, wonder how this works. I'm going to get back to you in just a minute. I'm going to pull out the directions and see if I can figure this out.